Before you default to a double wall oven, I want to show you a wall oven that will enhance the way you cook with a speed oven top and a steam assist bottom oven. Before you click off, I want to show you how easy it is to use and how it will improve your cooking by a lot. Stay to the end to learn the price and a bit about the brand. You won't believe how affordable it is. Seriously. First, the controls are so simple and intuitive. You'll find that on many other steam and speed ovens. The technology is there, but the controls make the learning curve next to impossible, so you never use it. Let's start with the speed oven up top, which is a combination microwave and convection oven. Used together, you'll cook faster without the rubbery texture of a microwave. Microwaves target the moisture in your food, leading to that rubbery texture. You have 3 modes for speed. The sensor cook, which senses the food and automatically shuts off when the food is cooked. So if you want to heat up some pizza, you just turn to the sensor cook program and hit pizza. The oven will take care of the rest. For the auto cook program, you just hit a button and the food is cooked by the recipe stored in the oven. So if you wanted to cook baked potatoes, all you do is turn to the auto cook program, choose potatoes and how many you want to cook or the equivalent weight. Again, notice how simple it is to operate. If you love to cook, you'll really like the speed cook function. You can control this oven to 1 degree for temperature. You also have 4 microwave levels to control the output of the microwave, which you will find valuable. You can cook your food quickly or with better texture by lowering the output of the microwave or speeding it up by using the microwave at full power. So in the speed oven, you can cook by sensor, automatically, or do it yourself by adjusting the convection temperature and the microwave power, or finding the perfect combination of both. Or you just use the microwave if you want to pop some popcorn. The bottom convection oven is incredibly intuitive and includes the steam assist. You have all the modes: bake, convection, roast, broil, warm, and prove. The auto cook program is similar to what you'll find in the speed oven, but without the microwave. So if you want to cook a whole fish, hit the fish button, pick your type of fish and hit start. Said in the beginning, this oven has steam assist capability with a water chamber down below. While you can't cook exclusively in steam, steam assist will allow you to add bursts of steam at either low, medium, and high. Steam is essential for baking or proofing bread, but adding moisture is great for caramelizing the tops of lasagna and adding more color and flavor to meats without drying them out. If there is one drawback to this oven, the steam assist is not as intuitive as the Miele M-Touch, but that might not be a bad thing, as the Miele M-Touch double oven is over $8,000, which brings us to price. Not to take away from the great features of this unit, but it may be one of the key factors when deciding if it's right for you. You may have guessed you can pick this oven up for $8,000 or $9,000, and you would be wrong. This oven only costs $59.95, and you don't need to buy an extended warranty because it's backed by a full 3-year warranty. The brand is Signature Kitchen Suite, or SKS, the premium division of LG, which is also one of the most reliable brands in the market based on over 37,000 service calls completed by a service department just last year. Like this wall oven? Look at this induction top. It is something very different about it. Click here to watch.